Still using one robot per line for small appliance palletizing? The robot works half, weights half, low utilization wastes capital, and pallets still need a dedicated worker. 3 pits of traditional palletizing. First, one robot per line means the arm sits idle during slow cycles. Second, pallets need manual placement. Every finished stack means another tray, workers running back and forth. Third, 2 lines need 2 robots, doubled CAPEX and floor space. This composite palletizing workstation puts 1 robot on 2 lines plus pallet placement. Goods on the left, stack left. Goods on the right, stack right. Nothing coming, place pallets. The robot never sits idle. 3 cores. First, 1 robot covers 2 conveyors plus a pallet station via a travel axis or long reach, 3 positions in 1 cell. Second, priority scheduling. Incoming goods come first, idle moments auto-fetch pallets. PLC dispatches without collisions. Third, standardized modular design. Palletizing and pallet grippers share a quick change interface. Swap in under 1 minute. Watch the demo. Line A feeds goods, robot picks and stacks on pallet A. Line B feeds goods, robot turns and stacks on pallet B. Both lines idle. It pulls an empty pallet from the rack to the palletizing spot. 1 robot, 3 rolls, seamless switching. By the numbers, 1 robot 1 line utilization is only 45%. Composite 1 robot 2 lines plus pallets pushes utilization above 85%. CAPEX drops from 2 robots to 1, floor space halved, payback shortened by 60%. This solution suits slower cycle small appliance lines. Rice cookers, kettles, induction cookers, and similar finished goods all fit. The 1 robot 2 lines plus pallets idea is fundamentally about maximizing robot utilization. The core of composite palletizing isn't how busy the robot looks. It's whether the scheduling makes it do the right thing at the right time. What's your palletizing robot's utilization rate?